So guys, we made it, and I know what you're all thinking. It must be mad coming to IKEA on a bank holiday Monday, but here we are. Better than sitting at home. Sitting at home doing nothing, it's cold. Gets you moving, gets you out. Me and Deb, let's go and spend some money. I know what you're all thinking, what could you possibly want from IKEA on a bank holiday Monday? Well, I have no idea. But I'm sure we'll find something. Barbecue? That's not nice setup, isn't it? Hmm? I'm just laughing to myself. You see people walking around here and they've got like these big yellow IKEA bags, and they've got like a wooden spoon or a jug in it, and they just carry it around with them in these big bags. I'm sure you've seen it, I'm sure you've done it, we've done it as well, but it's made me laugh. Oh, to be a kid again. Look at these bedrooms. How good's that? Come on. How good's these rooms? Really, aren't they? I'm not sure. Look at this here. The astronauts.
They're really nice. Look at this. Something like that. Hey?
Would it fit? So guys, so decided Deb needs a dressing table, so we're thinking of this option. It's a bit of a bargain for our dressing room. 159 for all that.
See, I didn't realise this had this in.
Nice, isn't it?
You got the glass with it?
Probably extra in it. Look at that. tell you what, you've got to give it to IKEA. They've thought of everything. They've got a gadget for every room in the house. Unbelievable. Well, I'll think how much value's in here stock wise. Crazy. Probably not a lot because it's probably not worth that much. Make it for now, sell it for a lot more. While I remember as well, it'd be great if you can give us a like, follow and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Look at this, how good's this? Have you got a cat? So you can get one of these inserts in IKEA and put a bed in it. I know a couple of cats who'd love that. Oh, what about this one? Look at that. I think Raja, my granddaughter's cat, would love to be in that TP. You having a good time? Yeah?
Always.
How about this for a deal? 8-piece meatball for £1, if you remember. It's good, isn't it? Does that just click on? So we need some lights for Deb's new dressing table. Bit different for us fellas. We don't need fancy lighting. Clean your teeth, do your hair, quick shave. Have you seen these others round here? It's only an idea, but it could work. You could clip one of them at each side, so it's shining to you. Like, £12. And they come with the LED, so you never need a bulb. There you go, guys. If you're a tattoo artist and you're looking for inspiration, come to IKEA. Got it all. Told you, thought of everything.
I know, I've seen it.
Not nice, is it?
I love it.
Guys, you want to smell this lavender? I think it's lavender. Not sure what it is. Dragon tree. Thing is with these, you buy one, you think, oh, that's a nice, cute little plant. And then within a year, it's like 10 foot tall. Either that or it dies.
Being quick for the porch.
Yeah.
And I was having a nice one back.
It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Because I like ours.
Yeah.
In the living room.
Yeah. Have you had one? Yeah, get one. So we got a plant. Just need to find aisle 26. Get the dressing table up. Aisle 26, Deb. 26, 21, I think it is. $26, $21. Is that a top? It's 20. Is that? What's that mean?
No, that's
Tabletop.
No,
Is that a glass top?
Yeah, that's a different one. This all covered.
Right. So it's that.
That one.
That one.
That one, it doesn't say one or two boxes or anything.
Right, let's go and pay for the bugger. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. This one. So guys, we survived Bank Holiday Monday in IKEA.
Quiet?
Yeah, we were, really. Weren't too bad. People have got more sense than what we've got. So I hope you enjoyed that. We're struggling for content at the moment, not being on holiday, but if you liked it, hope you did, give us a like.
Got a good holiday coming up then.
Yeah, we have. We've got some big news coming up. Our next adventure, so stay tuned for that one. But give us a like, subscribe, give us a follow, and ring the bell because we love it when you do that. And that's all that's left to say now is we'll see you on the next one. See you later.
First, the second one. Bye.